Okay guys, today is June the 20th, 2021, Father's Day. We'll do a quick little shop update. I'm working on the project for my granddaughter. It is a bed. It is a bed that is shaped like a house. But it's different than anything that I found online. It's not just the 2x4 that goes up and across and looks like a little silhouette of a house. This has actually got a back wall that has wall boards and a window frame and a picket fence across the back. It's going to be on the floor, and when my granddaughter's going to be 3, when she gets a little bit older, I'll be able to build a pedestal to go under it with some drawers, some extra storage for it. So it's kind of neat. I do have plans for that, but I'm not going to release the plans until after I build this completely, because what I do is I make the plans and then semi-finalize them, and then I build it according to the plans, just to find out if I've made any mistakes or not. And have found one mistake, get that fixed before they go out, but they will be on my Etsy store. But anyway, I've got everything cut out with the exception of a piece of plywood, and I'll cut it last. All I've got left right now other than it is to go through and put in all the pocket holes, and which there's not going to be a lot, there's just a few, but put in all the pocket holes and then spend an amazing, an outrageous amount of time on the router table. So that's going to be super fun. But follow me on Instagram. I'll have pictures of this that I update a couple times a week as I work my way through it. And like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure if you subscribe, you ring that bell so you'll be notified of everything else that we've got coming up. My next couple of videos is going to be some tool reviews, because it's going to take me a good while to finish this bed. And I have a wall-spin here. Okay, anyway, so thanks guys for watching, and if you have anything that you want to be featured, whether it be pictures of your work, your website, YouTube, Instagram, whatever, leave that in a comment or DM me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to give you guys a shout out on the next update. Thanks for watching.